Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning, we're doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1961 Chevrolet Impala. Yes, this car is a four-door sedan. They call this car the flat top. 61 was the only year for it. They got that flat extension on the back of the roof line. I think these are super cool cars, and this car is no exception. Just a gorgeous paint scheme, in my opinion. This kind of beige color with the white top and the white inserts. It's just very, very classy. It's got a 283 underneath the hood, aluminum intake. It's got an Offenhauser intake on it. It's got fuel injection on it, like a Holly Sniper fuel injection on it. Power steering, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, stock exhaust manifolds, hood insulator. The chrome on the car is very, very nice. It's just a super cool car. The interior looks all original and just super clean, very nice. It's got sitting on a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. Check out that interior. It's just awesome. Package tray, headliner, visors, door panels are very, very nice. Car runs like a mouse in a flour barrel. Digital dash. Horn works. Wipers work. Blower motor works. Right headlight indicator. Left turn, right turn. Cigarette lighter works. Gas gauge. Tack, oil pressure. It's just an awesome car. Dual exhaust on it. LED tail lights. Spare tire jack in there. Nicely done inside the trunk. Pretty damn cool. I'm gonna price this car at $29,900. I think that's a lot of car for the money. Somebody's really going to enjoy it. One headlight. Might be just a loose wire. Yep, just a loose connection there. Fix that connection on that headlight. We'll take her out for a spin. Got a low car transmission dipstick underneath there. Stick the keys back in the ignition here. One thing about these old 50s and early 60s cars, you can take the key out of the ignition with them running. Shifter in it, floor mounted shifter. great car. Drive this car down the road with 2 fingers. I mean, it's just a super cool car. Shut the lights off there. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Just an exceptional car, it really is. Turn around right here. Stops nice. Doesn't pull or shake when you step on the brakes. Nice on the car. Chrome bumper, stainless trim, bright work, looks real nice. Got a little nick there in the bumper. I've seen something. A couple little touch-up chips there. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's very, very nice, especially for the money. I mean, $29.9. It's got a chip there that was touched up. It's got a little touch-up spot right here. Yeah, but just a gorgeous little car. Little car, big car, I should say, maybe. I don't know. It's super cool. Very solid little car. $29.9. 61 Impala 4-door. Ready to cruise. She's ready to go, ready to cruise right now. They call these a more-door. You know what? More-door. Not a 4-door, it's a more-door. Or a crew cab. Whichever one you prefer. But yeah, I mean, the little 283 under the hood, automatic. Right down the highway just like it should, 60, 65, 70 mile an hour. Just an awesome car. Again, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.